The best way to send the files from your GoPro to your computer will be to remove the SD card. It's hard to remove. You can use a SD card reader to do it. Goes quite well. And send this to your computer. If you don't have a SD card reader, you can use any SD card reader to USB adapter. I will left link into the description. You might need to allow it to go to your computer, and then you can open a new window, find the SD card, and your files will be into DCIM 100 GoPro, and everything is right in here. Unfortunately, especially on Mac, you cannot use the USB connection over here to the computer, because when it does turn on, you will never see on a Mac the GoPro appear over here. There is some other solution like this is Android file transfer. It did work in the past, but actually it's not working. There might be other solution too, but all not as efficient as the SD card reader directly into the computer. There's also the fact that the USB connector on the GoPro is not that fast. So I hope this was helpful.